Won't you come with me to Chocolate City? In the city of LA, there's a place where the player plays. Chocolate City. Every night the player knows that's where all the homies go. Chocolate City. Ooh, you can see who you wanna see, and you can be with who you wanna be at Chocolate City. Ooh, Chocolate City. This game, Mac and Honey's all the same at Chocolate City. Chocolate City. All the fellas trying to play it cool, but the player makes the rules at Chocolate City. He's got all the honeys waiting in line for him to make up his mind.